In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed anything on Shopify using a link. To get started, you will be working inside your Shopify admin area and then in your theme editor. This is where you can place custom content on your storefront. The main goal is simple. You will add a section to your theme, choose a custom liquid block, and then paste an embed code so the content displays on your site. First, click Online Store. This takes you to the part of Shopify where you manage what customers see, including your theme settings and theme files. On screen, you should look for the menu area labeled Online Store, usually located on the left side of the admin dashboard. Clicking it opens options for themes and storefront preferences. Next, click Edit Theme. This step matters because the embed will be added directly to your active theme, which is the theme your visitors are currently using. After you click Edit Theme, you will see the theme editor and tools you can use to change layout and add new sections. Take a moment to confirm you are editing the correct theme, especially if you have more than one. Then click Add Section. In the theme editor, sections are the building blocks of the page. Adding a section creates a new area where you can insert specific types of content. Look for the Add Section button in the editor interface. It may appear in a panel or along the side, depending on your theme. Once you click it, you will be prompted to choose what kind of section you want to add. Now click Custom Liquid. This option is where you can paste code that Shopify will render on the page. Custom Liquid is commonly used for embedding external tools, videos, or widgets. After selecting Custom Liquid, the editor should show an input area or code box where you can place your embed code. Next, paste your embed code. Before you paste anything, make sure you have the embed code you want to use. It usually includes an HTML snippet that tells the browser how to load the content. When you paste it, double-check that everything appears correctly, with no missing characters or broken formatting. This is the part where accuracy really matters, because even a small change can prevent the embed from working. After pasting the embed code, click Save. This confirms the change and applies it to your theme, so the embed can appear on your storefront. Once you click Save, give the theme editor a moment to update. Then you can look at a preview of your store or the relevant page section to confirm the embedded content is displaying properly. At this point, you have completed the setup. If you do not see the embed right away, it can help to refresh the preview and verify you are viewing the correct page where the custom liquid section was added. Also, some embeds load after a moment, especially if they come from external services. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.